Okay, so this tutorial is going to be for the original song Brotherly Love. It's not a simple song to play, but it's not crazy difficult either. There are some difficult chords, and you can use a capo to, to ease up on the chords to make them a little bit easier. But I find that even with the capo, you still have to play the E chord, and that gives a lot of people that are beginning with the ukulele some trouble. So I figured we'd just do the uncapoed version, and I'll give you a link to the chords where you can find them to play along if you want to play along with the capo version as well. So the chords for this version, which matches the original, if you want to play along with the original, the first chord is F sharp minor, which is just you bar the first fret there, and your middle finger goes to the E chord, the E string, second fret, and your ring finger goes up top on the G string. So that's your F sharp. F sharp. Next chord is B, which you'll know. B. Next one is E. E can be played with the pointer finger up on the G string, first fret, middle finger, A string, second fret, and pinky over here on the C string, fourth fret. It's kind of a tough chord. You can simplify that chord. I find it's easier to play, especially when you have to do fast chord changes, by putting your pointer finger on the second fret of the A string, and then middle finger, fourth fret, barring the first two strings like this, so you kind of push down those first two, and then you use your ring finger to cover that E string. That gives you that same E sound. The nice thing about this is when you're doing the the chorus, Our Father Provides for Us All, you can just slide it right up, same exact shape for your F sharp chord change. So Our Father provides for us all, and then back down, no one left over. So instead of having to go, here to here, back again, F sharp, E, you can just keep that same shape, because your next chord up is F, and then the next fret up is your F sharp. So that's perfect. So then the next chord after that is A sharp minor, or also known as B flat minor. You're going to bar this. First fret, ring finger goes up on the G string, third fret. Nice sound. So that's A sharp minor or B flat minor. And then your D sharp minor is the next chord. Pointer finger, first fret of your A, ring finger, second fret of your E, and then you're going to use your ring finger to bar the top two strings, so your G string and your C string, third fret. And that's D sharp minor. Another really nice sounding chord. So you're going to go from A sharp minor to D sharp minor. And then here's another challenging one, G sharp minor. So pointer finger, second fret of your A, middle finger on the third fret of your C, and you're going to use your ring finger to go up top on your G string, fourth fret, and your pinky, fourth fret, but on your E string. That's a G sharp minor. And then last chord, C sharp. So C sharp is not that difficult. You're going to bar the first fret, and your pinky is going to be fourth fret of your A string. So the bridge, but in the world it can be cold. In the world. So it starts off with the A sharp minor, and then goes to the D sharp minor, then goes to the G sharp minor, and then the C sharp. So in order to be able to play this song, you have to practice those chord changes over and over again, so you can make them smooth. So And that's it as far as the chords go. The next thing that's a little bit challenging is the rhythm on this. The beats, it's a faster moving song, so they're half beats depending on how you play it. So the way I like to set up to play along with the original is I'll pluck down on the C string with my thumb for that first beat, and then do an inside out pattern. So you have 8 half beats there. So you're going down on the C, coming up with your pointer on your E, down with your thumb on your G, and up with your middle finger on the A. So, and you play those outside strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you play the top one again. That's your 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then back to your C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then back to your C. So the rhythm will playing like that. Like if we start off with the Wherever You Go at the beginning. And you switch to your B. And you can switch it up as you go along. Like say you get to verse 2 and you want to change it a little bit. Instead of going that inside out constantly, you know, with separate notes on each one, you can pluck up on the 2 bottom ones to give it, you know, a little bit of harmony sound there. But it's important that on that you know, first beat you emphasize that down strum with your thumb. Like that. Alright, so playing along, let's hear how it sounds here. Because that's the gist of the song. Let's see what we got. That's the idea. It's just that repetition. Once you get that, the rhythm and the chord changes. The only other difficult part is that bridge. You have to learn that A sharp minor to the D sharp minor to the G sharp minor to the C sharp in fairly quick succession. But that's just that one part. So once you get that, you should be good with this song. Hopefully this helps you out.